Hello kids, welcome to HASU KIDZEE. Let's learn ABC. A for ant. A for ant. B for balloon. B for balloon. C for car. C for car. D for donut. D for donut. E for eagle. E for eagle. F for frog. F for frog. G for grapes. G for grapes. H for horse. H for horse. I for igloo. I for igloo. J for jelly. J for jelly. K for kite. K for kite. L for lamp. L for lamp. M for mango. M for mango. N for nest. N for nest. O for owl. O for owl. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Z for zip. Z for zip. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe HASU KIDZEE.